Warm welcome to all my lovely students. I hope you all have seen part 1 of chapter 6 Human Resources. Now let us start with part 2. So discuss in a group and documents the outcome of your discussion. This you have to write on your own. Do all the society cherish the idea of a small family or small family, happy family? What should be done to remove the superstitious belief, our orthodox views, and illiteracy from our society? This you need to write it yourself. Now, let us see ahead. Study the population chart between 1901 and 2011 and make necessary interpretation. See here they have given us the population chart that is between the year 1901 and 2011, and they have given us the population growth, also the population that is between the censuses and changes between population changes between the censuses and the amount growth rate also, that is in percentage. And they've asked a few questions related to this population chart that is between 1901 and 2011. Let us discuss that questions. Mark the decades in which the population increased and decreased. See, there has been decrease in population only in 1911 and 1921 to a decade. Otherwise, in all other decades, there has been an increase in population. In which decade the population increased the maximum? Suggests the possible reason. See, from 1951 to 1961, and in all the decades thereafter, there has been a steep rise in population explosion. And during these decades, the main reason for population explosion are the people's standard of living improved, and average lifespan also increased, and the death rate has decreased. Third question, in which decades the population decrease suggests the possible reason? See, in the year 1911 to 1921 decade, there has been a decline in population. At this time there was a lot of inflation, scarcity and poverty in India, and due to World War First, see, many Indians died due to famine and starvation, as well as the epidemic of plague, and consequently one can see a decline in population during this decade. And the fourth question, what could be the reason for the decrease in the population growth rate in the last decades? See, the government they drive for effective family planning, and the fact that many people have implemented it, as well as the increase in literacy rate has brought about an awareness among the people, and so in the last decade there is decrease in population. Now we will discuss is about density of population. See, what is density of population? The proportion of people, see, the average number of people they are living per square kilometer area in termed as the density of population, and population density is associated with social, economic and geographical condition. See, the proportions of people they are residing in per square kilometer of a specific area, that is known as population density of that area. And see, population density is associated with what? With social, economic and geographical conditions. With all these they are related to it. And see, population density is also high in the area near river banks. We can see that they are high in this areas. See, in the population they have shown us, they are all, this is related to what? Social, economic and geographical conditions. See, after that they have showed us the things to know. They have given the areas and the regions, that is according to the world and developed nation. See, developed nation and developing, there is difference between these two. Development, already developed the things are in that nation, and developing means coming ahead, rising day by day. And India, they have shown all this thing, and they have also shown the total population in 2008 in millions. They have counted of all these four, and about the average growth rate, that is also in percentage, that is from 2005 to 10. And they have also given us the rate of productivity, that is in the year 2007. Then they have given us the infant mortality rate, that is per thousand. And they have also shown us life expectancy in the year, that is male and female. See, let us discuss first one, the world. See, the population in 2000, that is in millions, that is 6749.7. And see, the average growth rate is how much, 1.2%, and the rate of productivity is 2.54. And infant mortality is, that is per thousand, that is 49. And life expectancy in male is 65.1 and female is 69.6. See, in the developed nation is 1226.3, that is a population, total population. Growth rate in percentage is 0.3. Rate of productivity is 1.60. And infant mortality rate is 7. And life expectancy in male is 73.0 and in female 80.2. The same way they have shown about developing nations and India also. Top 10 countries in terms of population, that is in the 2008 CE and 2050 CE estimated. They have estimated it. See, here you can see the country and the population also, that is in million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. China rank first, then comes India, then USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, Japan. And in 2050, India comes first, then comes the China, USA, Indonesia, Pakistan, Nigeria, Brazil, Bangladesh, Congo and Philippines. See, in China, how much in 2008 it was counted, it is 1324.7 millions. And in India is 1149.3 millions, US is 304.5 millions, Indonesia 239.9 millions, Brazil 195.1 millions, Pakistan 172.8 million. See, all they have shown us top 10 countries in their rates of population. You have to go through it. Now moving ahead, we'll see the population varies from country to country. See, the population, it varies from where country to country, and even in our country, all the regions or states don't have the same population, and there is no uniformity in the distribution of population. Population density is high in the fertile alluvial plains of rivers, delta, industrial area, etc. On the other hand, the population density is low in the areas like desert, mountains, and forests due to the unfavorable conditions. See, uh, the population density is very high. We can see in the areas that is near the river banks, industrial areas, fertile regions of peninsular rivers, etc. And while in the desert, hilly, and forest area, population density is low due to the unfavorable conditions. And see, here they have given you the activity. Use the different colors to indicate the 5 states having the maximum density of population in 6.2 map. See, 2 map 6.1, that is population density in India state wise, and in 6.2 Indian political map, that you have to mark it. You have to mark over here with use the different colors for indicate the 5 states they are having the maximum density of population, and map 6.2. Read and interpret, suggest reason for the difference you observe. See the top 5 district in terms of population. See the 5 district. First is Ahmedabad. Males how many? 37 lakhs 83,000 and 50, that much, and females 34 lakhs 21,150, and total is 72 lakhs 4,200. See in that, this is about Ahmedabad. And now moving towards Surat, 33 lakhs 93,742, and female is 26 lakhs 79,489, and total is how many? 60 lakhs 73,231. The same way they have shown of Vadodara, Rajkot, and Banaskantha. See, these all are the top 5 district in the terms of population. And top 5 district in the term of population density is seen in Surat. Population density per square kilometer, and that is 1376 in Surat, Ahmedabad 890, Anand 711, Gandhinagar 660, and Navsari 602. This is all about the reason for the difference that you see. This is the first district is of Gujarat that have the highest density of population are Surat, Ahmedabad, Anand, Gandhinagar, and Navsari. And highly populated that we have discussed earlier, that is district of Gujarat. They are Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, and Banaskantha. And the factors that are affecting the density of population. See, density of population is affected by various geographical factors. See, density of population are of an area that depends of many factors like environment, land surface, availability of water, electricity, crops, minerals, etc. Every minerals, water, energy resources. See, all with this transport and communication facility, education and health facility, industrialization, employment, opportunity, urbanization, and latest technology, etc. All these affect the density of population. See, all these they affect a population density of population, about the education facility, health and transport, opportunity for jobs, urbanization, etc. This all affect the density of population of any area. I hope you all have understood till here. Thank you for listening.